Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. I'm doing this video to get you guys ready for, it's Monday. Happy Monday, by the way. I'm getting you guys ready for the market this week. And some huge news came out for Sofi. Remember, I kept talking about Sofi for you guys. And I truly believe this is another company that's going to take us to another level. So Sofi was last trading at $6.83. The 52-week high is $11.70 and the 52-week low is $4.24. Anthony Noto, who is the CEO of this company, just bought another 44,000 shares. And the CFO bought another $100,000 worth of shares on November the 9th, this month. So when you see insider buying by the CEO and other members of the company on that high level, they see what's coming, guys. A lot of times it's a very good sign. But anyway, let me get into the meat of the story. Barclays finally begins coverage of Sofi Technologies. Barclays started coverage on shares of Sofi Technologies in a report on Wednesday by MarketBeat. This was reported by MarketBeat.com. And like I said, guys, a lot of this you can get on the Sofi app for free. I'll leave the link again for you guys. The brokerage issued an equal weight rating and an $8 price objective on the stock. Several other research firms have issued reports on Sofi. Piper Sandler upped their price target on shares of Sofi Technologies from $8 to $9 and gave the stock a neutral rating in a research report on Friday. So remember, I told you guys just recently, everybody was giving it a sell rating and talking horribly about it. Now, the news media are changing their narrative. So anyway, JP Morgan Chase upped their price target on shares of Sofi from $8 to $10 and gave the stock a neutral rating in a research report on Tuesday. And on August the 22nd, Stefan started coverage on shares of Sofi Technologies in a research report on Monday, July 24th. They issued an equal weight rating at $8 objective on the stock. UBS Group started coverage of shares of Sofi Technologies in a research report on Friday. They issued a neutral rating at a $7 price objective. Finally, Trust Financial gave a $16 to $14 from $16 to $14 and set a buy rating on the stock in a research reported on Tuesday. 2 research analysts have rated the stock with a sell, only 2. 10 have given a hold rating and 4 have given a buy rating, according to MarketBeat.com. The stock presently has an average rating of hold and a consensus price of $8.84. So that's a lot higher than what it is right now. Shares of Sofi opened at $6.83 on Wednesday. The company's 5th-day simply moving average is $7.77 and its 200-day simple moving average is $7.89. The company has a quick ratio of 23 cents. So the company last reported their quarterly results, and I spoke about this in one of my last videos. On October the 30th, the company reported a 3 cents earning per share for the quarter, topping the consensus estimate of 8 cents by 5 cents. They topped it by 5 cents. Sofi Technologies had a negative net margin of 20.31% and a negative return on equity of 2.92%. Listen to this, guys. The firm had a revenue of $564.24 million for the quarter, and this is a new company, man. Compared to analyst estimate of $511, so they beat that. During the same period in the prior year, the firm posted 9 cent earning per share. The company's quarterly revenue was up 34.6% compared to the same quarter last year. And I knew this was going to happen as soon as they open up the student loans. Anyway, equities research analysts expect the Sofi Technology will post a minus 17 cent EPS for the current fiscal year. And I believe they're going to beat that as well by the end of the year. In other news, Christopher Lapionte acquired 14,950 shares, another 14,950 shares of Sofi Technologies in a transaction on Thursday. So he also bought on Thursday, along with a lot of other investors. So I hope you guys are paying attention to this. I'm not going to read the whole report. You guys can find this one on ZL Max News. I don't know if you'll have to pay for it, but like I said, if you're on the SoFi platform, you can get this. And another thing came to my mind. I did a video on Saturday about crypto and how big this is going to be and the implications if the SEC pass this on January 10th, which it looks like they're going to do it. But if they don't do it on January 10th, don't count it out that it will happen. But anyway, guys, Sofi Technologies ties into all of this as well, because remember, they do student loans, they do refinancing, they do personal loans, they do banking, and they give a very high interest rate. I know I have I use them for my banking. They have credit cards, which I use, and they do cryptocurrency. Yes, you heard that right. They also do cryptocurrency. So I believe once the SEC passes this, don't be surprised if SoFi also files for a Bitcoin ETF fund. That's going to take us to another level again. Probably they already filed for it. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. I'll try to do some research and look it up. But some big things are coming for this company, guys. I told you all, I can see it. I have the vision. I love the CEO. I love who they are associated with. I hope you guys found this video informational and encouraging for all my subscribers who have shares of SoFi. I know some of you all do. For those of you who haven't, you might want to at least look into it. If you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, guys, because in this channel, we have that warrior mindset where we get rich or we die trying, guys.